Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss about looping in Python. So let us first know what is the use of loops. Suppose you are a software developer. If software developer develops a software module for payroll processing that needs to compute the salaries and the bonus of all the employees. We have two ways to do this, manually and using loops. If we do it manually, then we have to write the logic for every employee separately to get the salary, the bonus and the total amount. मतलब कि अगर हम मैनुअली करेंगे तो हर एक एम्प्लॉय के लिए अलग से लॉजिक लिखना होगा, बट इफ़ वी यूज़ लूप्स then we have to write only one logic for all employees, as you know. Now, what are loops? Loops allows the execution of a statement or a group of statement multiple times. In order to enter the loop, there are certain conditions defined in the beginning. Once the condition becomes false, the loop stops and the control moves out of the loop. यहाँ फ्लो चार्ट में हम देख रहे हैं, as we can see in this flow chart, that program starts and it checks whether the condition is true or not. If condition is true, it enters the loop and then it executes the conditional code. Again it checks whether the condition is still true or not. If the condition is still true, it executes the code again, and if the condition becomes false, then it exits the loop. There are two types of loop, infinite and finite. In infinite loop, condition is always true, and in finite loop, condition is false. मतलब इनफाइनाइट लूप में कंडीशन हमेशा ट्रू रहता है और फाइनाइट लूप में आपका कंडीशन फॉल्स भी होता है. There are three types of loops in Python: while, for and nested. I have already discussed for loops, so I am only going to discuss while loop and nested loops. In while loops are known as indefinite or conditional loops. They will keep iterating until certain conditions are met. There is no guarantee ahead of time regarding how many times the loop will iterate. This is the syntax, while, expression and the statements. Now here question arises, why we use while loops? Basically, while loop is used when we don't know how many iterations are required. So you don't know how many times you need to execute the statement that are present inside your loop. So that is the reason why we use while loop. This is the general syntax of while loop. This is the example. In this example, we take a variable count and initialize its value to 0. Now we write the while statement and the condition, that is count less than 9. That means if the value of count is less than 9, then only the program will enter the loop. Since the value is less than 9, it enters the loop and executes the conditional code. Now we increment the value of count by 1 as long as the value of count remains less than 9. It will keep on executing the code, and when the condition becomes false, that is the value of count become more than or equal to 9, then it will exit the loop and execute the codes after that. This is the output that we will get. Now we are going to talk about nested loop. Python programming language allows the use of loop inside another loop. This is called nested loop. This is the syntax for nested loop. This is an example. In this we have to print this output, and we are going to do this with the help of nested loop. Now we take a variable I and initialize its value to 2. Then we write the while statement, and then the condition that is I is greater than equal to 0. That means अगर I का वैल्यू कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करेगा, then only it will enter inside the loop. Then we initialize another variable j to 4. Then we will write the while statement. It means while j greater than 0. j अगर greater than 0 है हमारा, it means 4 greater than 0, तो प्रिंट हमारा करेगा 2 को और उसके बाद एक स्पेस देगा. एंड इक्वल टू स्पेस मीन्स 2 के बाद एक स्पेस देगा. देन j इक्वल टू j माइनस 1 मीन्स 4 अभी था, 4 माइनस 1 3. तो नाउ अब फिर से कंडीशन को टेस्ट करेगा. j इक्वल टू 3, इट मीन्स 3 ग्रेटर देन 0 है, तो फिर अगेन 2 को प्रिंट करेगा और फिर एक स्पेस देगा. नाउ 3 माइनस 1 2, तो j का वैल्यू अब 2 हो गया, तो 2 ग्रेटर देन 0, यहाँ पे 2 प्रिंट करेगा और एक स्पेस देगा. नाउ 2 माइनस 1 1 1 ग्रेटर देन 0, प्रिंट 2 करेगा, फिर एक स्पेस देगा, और 1 माइनस 1 0. यहाँ पे आपका कंडीशन फॉल्स हो जाएगा और ये चला आएगा प्रिंट फंक्शन के पास. प्रिंट फंक्शन हमारा फॉर न्यू लाइन के लिए है, ये न्यू लाइन में चला जाएगा नेक्स्ट लाइन में. और i इक्वल टू आई माइनस 1 मीन्स i हमारा 2 है, तो यहाँ पे 1 हो जाएगा अभी. तो वाइल i ग्रेटर देन 0 मीन्स 1 ग्रेटर देन 0 है अभी. फिर से ये इनर लूप में जाएगा और फिर 4 टाइम्स वो 2 को प्रिंट करेगा और अगेन वो प्रिंट फंक्शन में आएगा और नेक्स्ट लाइन में जाएगा. और 1 माइनस 1 0, मतलब 0 भी इक्वल टू 0 है, कंडीशन को ट्रू हो रहा है, तो हमारा फिर से इनर लूप में जाएगा और फिर से 4 टाइम्स 2 को प्रिंट करेगा और फिर ये बाहर आ जाएगा, एग्जिट हो जाएगा जब हमारा कंडीशन फॉल्स हो जाएगा. थैंक यू.